Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. Today is usually a day off for most of you. For me, I'm still working. Yep. But boy, do I need a nap. I know it's early, but I need a nap. Last night, I prepared stir-fried noodles with beef. How fun. It was good. I give it about a 4. Produces way too much sauce. I didn't use it all. I was careful. It's good. There's no heat. By the way, there's no heat in this recipe. I'll post it up. Have fun with it. It is good. It's like I said, it's a 4. It's a solid 4. Tonight, I get to say one of my favorite words. Creamy Chicken Gnocchi Bliss. I'm not sure why the word bliss is in this. But again, it's Creamy Chicken Gnocchi Bliss. Let's take a look. Got a couple hardware thing going on here. Got a good old Dutch oven and my medium saucepan. We got chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Yes, and a little bit of olive oil pumice. Because these chicken thighs are going to be cooked off in the medium saucepan. I'll add some herbs and spices to the water. For that, we got a mirepoix going on, carrots, celery, and onion. Yep, garlic. There's the gnocchi. We'll be adding some baby spinach towards the end. And we of course have kosher salt, black pepper, chicken stock. I will probably use the broth that comes out of the pot, the medium saucepan from the chicken, working with the box chicken stock. We got some heavy cream. I'm going to be using ground thyme, basil, and some ground Mexican oregano. And of course, this will be finished off with some grated Parmesan and the parsley, which will be coming out later. So here's all the goodies for tonight's Creamy Chicken Gnocchi Bliss. We actually got sprinkled on yesterday. We weren't supposed to. I had to go to the pharmacy to pick up a script. It was a super light sprinkle. But they say the next few days are supposed to be really nice. I know I'm playing Weatherman. I'm sorry. Worked on the website yesterday, corrected a few things, and I'm working on a new section, which is I'm actually calling it the Global Spice and Herb section. It's a lot of work. There's going to be a lot of information. It's not just about buying or purchasing your global spices. There's going to be lots of information about each spice. So, with all that, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.